Hello guys, hello family, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Alice Njoki again here. If you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I will appreciate, guys. So today I have visited this our village again. So cool, amazing. As you can see, there is trees there, guys. Many trees, and trees are very good, guys. As you can see, there is good environment here in our village. Cool. As you can see, guys, it's cool. We are coming here to take maybe some. If you want to take firewood, you will come here and get some firewood. If you want to come here hiking, you will come, guys, and hiking here. As you can see, today I have decided to come to the biggest waterfall in our village, guys, and we will go together. I show you our waterfall, guys, in Maros village. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to the waterfall. I'm here, guys. This is our waterfall here in Maros village, guys. Yes, guys, this is our waterfall. Here, let me show you our cool waterfall, guys. Sijui kama pale ni padipu.
Usiingie. Unaweza ongea hata kwa hiyo juu. Nataka kumwagikie. Huwezi anguka. Ukikuwa kwanza hapo ndio atakunyeshea vizuri. Yeah, try there. Yeah? Lakini sisi kwangu.
Maros village, Maros village, we have clear place, guys. We are so blessed, guys.
Yes? Because lazima aende pole pole.
Hapo unajua pana gereza. Hapo ukae very clean.
Tena niko mbali. Haya. Cut. Cut.
Guys, this is how our environment look like. I have been enjoying it. I'll be there, guys. I really love water, guys. I don't know why, but I'm really love water. So if you are watching this video from outside the country, guys, please try to come. Oh my God, try to come to visit Maros village. You will enjoy totally. You will enjoy to be here in Maros village. So guys, this is where we started. There, guys, I want to go up there. I'm so wet, but I will try again and again, guys, because of you, because I love you, guys, and I'm doing this for you guys, just because I am in love with you. All of this I'm doing for you, for my audience, because I really love you. Okay, guys, I'm still climbing and climbing more and more, guys. Yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. So look, where we are. The waterfall is down there, guys. You can see the waterfall are down there. So, but then I know how to hike. If you want someone, if you don't have someone to hike with, you can call me and I will go with you for a hike, guys, because I'm loving you, guys. I'm really loving you. Oh, so I'm so fresh. I'm feeling so good, guys. My body now is so fresh. As you can see, I'm feeling so fresh, guys. So we will go down there round 2, guys. Round 2. But I think I'm done with shower. I'm now done. So guys, I want to show you around here how it look like. There is some stones. If you're bored, you come here and chill. There we have tree, coconut tree, guys. As you can see, that is coconut tree. If you haven't seen a coconut tree, that is coconut tree. In our village, by the way, we are so blessed. Our environment is so cool. We thank God. So cool. If you want some stones, we have some stones. And it's so cool, guys. This Maros village. I thank God I'm here to Maros village. I'm really enjoying to be here in Maros village, guys. I'm totally enjoying. I'm seeing here there is small waters, guys. I'm really loving water. I love water. I love to play with water, by the way. I don't know why. I don't know why, guys. Or I'm the daughter of fish. I don't know. Maybe. See, this is how it's look like around. So cool, guys. As you can see, it's so cool. Cool, guys. So cool, guys. We have planted some trees there. There is some big trees, as you can see there. And here, guys, I have found guava tree. This is guava tree, guys. And this one, I think this one is too small. This one is too small, as you can see. It's not good. But here in our village, we are eating. Oh, when I haven't washed, oh my God. I haven't washed it and I'm eating. I'm just biting. I have seen some guavas here, guys. Whether this land is not for someone, this is not, is for public, not for someone, guys. Big guava here, guys. As you can see, this is big guava, but it's not ready to eat. Hayaiva. It's so sweet, by the way. So sweet. I'm loving it. So sweet, guys. Let me sit down. Yeah. Guys, if you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel because I'm loving you. And don't forget, guys, to comment there. Yeah. Comment a positive comment, guys. I will appreciate, guys. Just positive. If you want even to comment bad comment, it's no problem. If you are free, just comment. And if you are feeling good by commenting bad comment, it's not bad. I want to make you happy. Yeah, guys, I want to make you happy. So if you want to take a positive comment, you just take it a positive comment, no problem. So guys, I'm still walking around and show you our how our environment is look like. Yeah, oh, I have seen the bird flying there. Another one. This is so cool, by the way. This is how it look like. This is how it look like, guys. I have seen the what are we calling it? The coconut tree have marrying there inside the trees, many trees, guys. I'm searching for the road, but I'm not seeing. Ouch! I'm not seeing road here, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm feeling so hot. I don't know if I will go inside the water again. But no. No, guys, no. No. I don't think if here there is a road. I'm at myself and I'm so afraid. You know, this is a big forest, guys. This is a big forest, and I'm so afraid. I don't know if this one there. This one is not something you can eat. I don't know. It's not good for testing something. When you found something, leave it there. It's not good for testing, guys. Oh, let's go. I have seen the road there, so let's go. Ouch! Oh, my leg. Ouch, my leg. Oh, I have bitten by stone, guys. There, stone have bitten me to my leg, guys. I don't think if there is road here, so let us go back. I don't think if there is road here. And guys, if you're watching this video, guys, tomorrow I'm releasing a hot content, guys. Hot content. If I say a hot content, I'm meaning a hot content. Tomorrow I will come here to this waterfall and cook, and not cook, I will roast some sausages. Yeah, I will roast some sausages. Don't miss that, guys. Don't miss that. It will be so awesome, nice, cool, guys. Huh. You can't imagine the girl roasting sausages in the forest, in the waterfall. You can't imagine that, guys. It will be so awesome, guys. Yeah. Hey, I'm so tired, guys. I'm really tired. Yeah. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I have climbed up to down there. Yeah, this is our environment. We thank God. We thank God. We thank God. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And don't forget, tomorrow I'm releasing a hot video, guys. I want to come here to the waterfall and roast some sausages. You can't imagine, guys. A village girl roasting some sausages in clay bath, guys. Don't miss that, guys. I'm saying don't miss that, guys, because I'm in love with you guys. So guys, don't miss that. So tomorrow I'm releasing a hot video, guys. So this will be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.